If the washer in your washer-dryer combo won't agitate, here are the 8 most probable causes. The agitation cycle begins when the control sends voltage to the drive motor. Depending on the model, the motor may directly drive a transmission or use a belt to operate the agitator drive shaft. The cog and cam components inside the agitator can wear out over time, which will prevent the agitator from working. You can replace these components using the appropriate agitator repair kit for your model. The upper or lower portions of the agitator itself can potentially strip. You can replace the defective section or replace both sections as part of an assembly. If your washer has a transmission, the drive block which connects the transmission to the agitator may be worn out. You can inspect the drive block for signs of wear or damage to determine if it needs to be replaced with a new one. On some washer-dryer combos, a motor coupler connects the motor to the washer transmission. The coupler can wear out over time or fail if the washer is overloaded, causing the tub not to agitate. If your washer uses a belt to agitate the tub, the belt may have broken or may be slipping on the pulleys. In either case, the belt should be replaced. Some models have a stator and rotor that interact to create a strong magnetic field which causes the tub to agitate. If the stator windings or rotor magnets are damaged, the tub may not spin or agitate until one or both of the components are replaced. On most washer-dryer combos, the lid or door switch prevents the washer tub from agitating when the lid or door is open. If the switch is defective, then the tub won't agitate even with the lid or door closed. You can use a multimeter to determine if the switch has continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the switch tests negative for continuity, then it will need to be replaced. If the washer uses a wash plate in place of an agitator, the plate could be damaged or stripped off the drive shaft. You should inspect the component for any damage near the drive shaft connection point and replace it if necessary. The washer drive motor may be defective as well, although this isn't a common problem. If the drive motor hums but fails to run, runs noisily, or doesn't turn freely, you should replace it with a new one. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your washer-dryer combo.